are 4 directions that you can do a toe stop spin. Just like in any other turn or spin, we're gonna start by looking in the direction of this spin. So I'm gonna start with my right because that's my natural side before I switch it to my unnatural side and show you that way. For the toe stop spin, you're gonna put the toe stop down in the opposite way you're gonna be turning. So I'm gonna turn to the right first, so I'm gonna put my left toe stop down. There's gonna be a micro knee bend in both of my knees. So you can go, for a toe stop spin, you can go, which is back, so you can go back into the spin, or you can go forward, but we're gonna start with back. So with the back, you look over your shoulder and then you continuously move the spot while you've got the weight distributed evenly on the wheels and on the toe stop. Okay, you just get comfortable with feeling that weight shift and that weight distribution. So toe stop on one foot, which is in the center. This is the center of the spin. It's almost like you are circle drawers that you used in art class as a kid. So we are turning our bodies into a compass. And we're gonna put the point down on the paper in the middle of the circle on the floor. And then we're gonna draw with the pencil, which is our other foot. We're gonna look, continuously looking over that right shoulder as we spin it. Okay, and you'll be pivoting on the toe stop. Now, if we wanted to go the other direction, we would look over the opposite shoulder, okay, and look at this one here. Good. So we can go back with the right. We can go forward with the left. Or we could switch it and we could go back with the left. And forward with the right. Does everyone see how there's 4 variations? Okay, maybe it was confusing switching right and left, so I'll just do both right. So when you're going over the right shoulder, you put the left toe stop down, looking in the right, and drawing the circle behind you. If I wanted to go forward, I would switch the toe stops, and I would go forward with the outside foot wheels. If I wanted to go left back, I would put my right toe stop down and draw the circle with my left pencil. Okay, if I wanted to go forward to the left, I'd put the toe stop down on my left side. I'd look over the left shoulder and go forward. Okay, now the fun part is changing your levels. So once you pick your favorite one, so there's 4 of them, you can go forward or backward, right or left direction. I really like to go right back, so like this. And my toe stop spins, it pivots. It doesn't spin because it's fastened on there really good, but it pivots on the ground. So there's enough weight onto it that my ankle is free to move. So this ankle here and these wheels are driving the spin as I anchor my toe stop down. When you change levels is when it looks really good. Like Abominatrix, one of my teammates, does an awesome toe stop spin. And they like really make this wide. Oops, I kicked my frame wheel. Okay, so it looks like this. You can bend that knee or you can straighten it. Abom likes to straighten it, it looks so sick. Okay. You can also go the other direction. And get a great start. But the lower they are, I think they look I don't know, I think they're more styled out the lower they are. So you can use these toe stops, pivoting on the toe stops, as an anchor. You can also bend the knee and get low. And this is a good segue into the sit spin, which we're not gonna do right now, but you can bend the knee, pivoting on that toe stop. You'll see my arms are up in alignment with my shoulders here for balance. All right, and that was the toe stop spins. Thanks so much for coming. Enjoy your night and the rest of your days.